Love the Goodman Theater's production of A Christmas Carol. It's a holiday bus.
And we're going to give you a little of that right now. Please welcome Tiny Tim and cast members of the Dickens Classic.
Ahí ves bien, hija.
Majestic 57-foot Colorado spruce, submitted by Terry Moore and two daughters.
My garage, and he said, you should cut this tree down and give it to the city of Chicago.
Who are less fortunate, who are away from their families, we need to put them in our thoughts and prayers this holiday season. I want to wish everybody a happy and a healthy New Year, a great Thanksgiving, and may we all enjoy many, many more. And I want to thank again, let's give a hand and welcome to the Moore family for this 100-year tradition. Thank you very much.
Sawyer, thanks very much.
We have a special guest from the North Pole here.
Claus. Somewhere warm. Mrs. Claus, is there any Thanksgiving plans?
Family. Always a good time.
So glad you guys are here to celebrate. This is a big night. About safety for the holidays, you can see
was the lighting of the Christmas tree. It is cold out here, but I'm glad I came. It's crowded, a lot of people more than I expected, but it was worth it for the fireworks.